Today we are going to do a little bit of improv marcaje. We're going to dance to Bamberas by Chico, and the goal is to not, dance to the music. Of course, it's dancing to the music, but it's more of a warm-up. So we will just transition into two different marking steps. The front marking, ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba-bam, ba-da, and side marking, ba, ba, ba-dam, ba-da, ba, ba-dam, ba, ba-dam, ba, ba-dam, ba-da. And the goal is, it's a full body warm up, listen to the music, and being able to get that muscle memory in the bottom so that you can, really work on changing the upper body. If you are more on the beginner side, you can just leave your hands on your hips. And if you have more experience, then work on coordinating the upper body. And if you have even more experience, then you really work on extension and breathing in between the compasses. And if you want more, be sure to check out all the free resources in the description, including my 10-day free trial to the Online Flamenco Studio. Let's begin. 8, 9, 10, 12, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more compás. All right, one more. Here we go. 7, 8, 9, 10. Forward. Just hands down and arms up. Ba. Step front, side. Here we go. Switch. Cross the arms, chest up, and switch, front arm up, and twist, twist, and up, okay, to the front, and down. So bend the knees a little bit more and lean to the side. And switch, both arms up and up and down in the center and down and up. To the front again, front arm. So relax those hips. And switch, arms front and back. And front. And back, and front, and back, front, and bring it to the back, and to the front, and up, up, really twist, ba. chest up. And switch, arms up, out, and down. And open. Open. And open. And to the front, up and down, and up and down. Open, ole, up and down. And switch. One arm. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. If you want to continue your flamenco journey with me, I invite you to join me inside my Online Flamenco Studio. It is a monthly membership for dancers to learn flamenco from the very beginning all the way through advanced levels. We have courses in technique, choreography, and flamenco theory. And if you click here, you can get access to a free 10-day trial. So I hope you dance with us, and I'll see you soon.